For more than 30 years, Congresswoman Eddie Bernice Johnson served the people, and her footprint is large and wide, not just for her constituents in Texas, but all citizens in the United States and around the world. She was clear about her purpose and her life's work to improve the health and safety of families. And her support for women, equity, diversity, and inclusion was unwavering. She began work as a psychiatric nurse at LaRue Carter Psychiatric Hospital in Indianapolis, Indiana. After passing her board exams, she returned to Texas to begin working at the Dallas Veterans Administration Hospital. She left the hospital in 1972 to run for public office in the Texas House of Representatives. While in the Texas House, she fought for minority and women's issues. And in 1977, President Jimmy Carter appointed her as the principal official of Region 6 for the Department of Health, Education, and Welfare. In 1986, Johnson was elected to public office again, but this time to the Texas Senate, where she worked tirelessly to improve health care and end racial discrimination. In 1992, she was elected to the U.S. House of Representatives, the first nurse elected to the Congress. As a member of Congress, Johnson led the battle on legislation to improve health care, the environment, civil rights, women's issues, and science, research, and education. She was the first woman to chair the Committee of Science and Technology and the Committee of Transportation and Infrastructure. In 2001, she served as chairwoman of the Congressional Black Caucus, and in 1993 and 1994, she was named by Ebony magazine as one of the 100 most influential African Americans in the country. And in 2001, the magazine named her one of the 10 most powerful African American women in the United States. To her family, she was a loving mother, grandmother, and great-grandmother. To her constituents, she was a fighter with resounding skill and diplomacy. To the state of Texas, she was a trailblazer. She won $700 million in a federal grant for DART so it could expand its light rail to DFW International Airport. And to the nation, she was a shining star. She helped sponsor legislation in the House that ultimately led to the creation of the 988 National Suicide Prevention Line. The Congresswoman said she hoped her life's work would inspire her great-grandchildren, and she had a message for all young people to work for change and focus on bringing more change, and to not let obstacles discourage them, but encourage them to achieve their goals. Eddie Bernice Johnson shattered glass ceilings. She was a phenomenal woman and an incredible leader and champion for all.